Hello, I am Kobey, comically short Kobey today, and I am painting up the Hearns Workshop Ned Kelly. Now, I'm struggling to see here, so I don't know how well you can see on the monitor, but I'm doing a little bit of shading today. Now, this is more so me just showing the model rather than giving you any tips, because I'm actually not very good at this. This is not my like chosen, well, not chosen, but this is not what I've done a lot of. I build mostly model planes and model tanks, so you're basically seeing a beginner at work. I have built a couple of figures for model tanks before in 1/35 scale, but I've never really done a dedicated figure. So I've gotten all the base colors done, and now I'm on to highlighting. So here's a little bit of something I did earlier. I've been highlighting this jacket. It is not yet finished, but it is on its way. So this is undone, and then the back is 90% done, I'd say. Just a couple of touch-ups and whatnot. And I'm feeling pretty happy with this for something that I've never really delved into before. It is a bit stark, but it is what it is. The other thing that I have done is I've finished off this arm. So I'll have to zoom in for this one. Where is it? Finish this arm. Put the shadows in his sleeves, and yeah, I'm happy with how it is. I'm not so much of a perfectionist. I'm just looking to do the best job I can do at a model that I'm not very familiar with. So without further ado, I'm gonna zoom back out here to where I can. I've got my palette here, as you can see, and my black and white just mixed together, so I'll need to do those again. But essentially, I'm mixing darker and lighter shades of each paint. Should have put them so close together. Darker and lighter shades of each paint to get contrast and to make artificial shadows for the colors. So I'm just going to spend a bit of time doing this, and I will oops, we know what happened last time when I did that. So I'm currently putting in the darkest shade, and I'm just going through where all of the dips in his jacket are with the creases and whatnot. It's a little bit hard to see if I'm getting it done. Along the back as well, which is a bit more tatty. I'm squinting to try and figure this out, which is not a good sign. Okay, so I've done the darker blue. Now with my dark blue, I'm going to wash my brush. I've got this Green Stuff World brush washer, which is insane. I actually never thought I'd enjoy working with this thing as much as I do, but I do. So just going to add a bit of white in there now. Bring it back up. Maybe back down a little bit. Yep. All right. Let's see how this goes. See what colour this is. Maybe a bit light again. Just trying to see. Sorry about hogging the camera with my head. Just trying to get in a good position to see it. Yeah, this is looking interesting. It's definitely unique in the way that I've done it. I think I want to start working backwards a little bit now. I've found my highlights. I've found my shadows. And now I kind of just want that regular old blue colour back in some of it. Oofed! No way. It's too much. Too much. We'll have to come back this way, hopefully. Okay, I'm going to leave that for the moment, but that is a little bit of highlighting at least. Going back and forth. I'm going to go onto the pants now, do a little bit of a darker exploration. I should really be on my palette putting, you know, grey, 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 and then mix a bit of white into this one, and then mix that one, and then mix the next one, but I'm just going back and forth. This is kind of how I feel comfortable doing it. I have painted him the highlights to be as if he's standing like this. So when his arm is down, he has these weird highlights on the front of his shirt and not on the back, because the shadow would be down for that. But that's alright. Don't have to worry about that. That's okay. Let's move on to the pants. What have I mixed up? Some concoction of something. Oh my goodness. Alright, well, that is going to be the end of this little series of painting up Ned Kelly. I haven't finished his legs. I'm going to do it off camera because it is just very time consuming and boring. But next time you see this, I will hopefully have all of the main colors finished, in terms of like the blue, the browns, the black, everything, and I'll be working on his armor, because his armor was a very, very pitted, like dirty, grimy piece of steel. So right now we have it very shiny, but I'm going to be doing a heap of weathering effects to make it dull. But for now, I'm going to finish off these colors on the shoes, on the pants, and on the belt and everything. I'm going to do the inside of his jacket and finish the outside. And the next time you see me, it will be on a video about the steel armor. So, I hope you have enjoyed watching me fail and watching me learn and watching me love this hobby for everything that it is. I am Kobey, and this is Ned Kelly in 1/24 scale by Hearns Workshop, and I hope you've enjoyed this video, checking him out and painting him with me. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. See you next time.